He likes it. I think he likes it.
I like that pot.
Look at him.
All you're gonna hear is, I like that pot.
I do. I like that coffee pot Norman got.
You want me to take him from over here?
Mm.
I zoomed in on his mouth. I wanna play this.
Come over here.
Hi, Peter.
No, he wants to take it, but
Mm-hmm.
He likes the coating.
Amanda, when you took that parade at Mickey's Very Merry Christmas,
Yeah,
did it come out okay?
I didn't really.
oh,
You didn't want?
I didn't really watch it.
Oh,
Why?
I just wondered. I'd like to see it.
Give me that. Give me that.
Hey,
Toy.
this one's so much better. This thing doesn't come off. I won't lose it.
While the back on the other comes off.
Yeah, it comes right off.
bye, Cito. Cito. That good, baby. Say bye-bye.